Arlington National Cemetery in Arlington, Virginia, stands as one of the most sacred military burial grounds in the United States. Established during the Civil War, on land once owned by Confederate General Robert E. Lee, it was built to honor fallen soldiers and ensure they would never be forgotten. Covering about 639 acres, the cemetery contains more than 400,000 graves, representing service members from the Civil War to modern conflicts. Soldiers from every major U.S. war are buried here, including World War I, World War II, Korea, Vietnam, the Gulf War, Iraq, and Afghanistan. Each burial follows a precise military honor procedure. Fallen soldiers are escorted by a caisson, accompanied by an honor guard. The flag-draped casket is presented to the family after a rifle salute and the playing of taps. Ceremonies take place daily, reflecting discipline, respect, and sacrifice. One of the most powerful symbols is the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier, honoring unidentified service members from multiple wars. Guards protect the tomb 24 hours a day, regardless of weather, as a symbol of eternal vigilance. Arlington is not only a cemetery, but a living memorial, reminding visitors that freedom is preserved through service, sacrifice, and honor. Generations of families, leaders, and visitors come here to witness history, reflect in silence, and pay respect to those who served. Arlington National Cemetery is located across the Potomac River from Washington, D.C., offering sweeping views of the nation's capital. Set on rolling hills in Arlington, Virginia, its geography gives the cemetery a solemn yet commanding presence, overlooking landmarks like the Lincoln Memorial and the U.S. Capitol. One of its most visited sites is the grave of John F. Kennedy, marked by the eternal flame, symbolizing his enduring legacy. Nearby rest Jacqueline Kennedy Onassis and other members of the Kennedy family. Arlington is also the final resting place of notable generals, astronauts, Medal of Honor recipients, and national leaders. Touristic highlights include the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier, where visitors witness the changing of the guard, one of the most powerful ceremonial displays in the United States, memorials honoring women in military service, fallen astronauts, and major wars add depth to the experience. Arlington is both a place of remembrance and a historic destination where geography, leadership, and sacrifice converge, offering visitors a profound connection to America's past and values.